Raise your hands for those students na mga nasa. Ano tanan? Okay, so tanan ay magnet.
Yes.
Nakakit? Okay, so karon mag-answer ka ninyo using the magnetic board. Okay, so naman tayo itong sunod to categories it is the flower and so sa inyo nga tubangan na day ang mga pilianan. Di ba? Nasa board. Nakita niyo wala? Maklaro na ka na? Okay, sige. Asa tama ko na? Sa flower or sa color? Okay, kita niyo flower. Raise your hand daw. 1, 2. Okay, kabog dito na. Flower, sure. Sa color? Wala na. Okay, sure ligid mo. Final na? Okay, so magunan ka sa flower. So, karon ang inyong buhaton, pangitaon nyo diri ang names sa flower, then isuwat niyo sa magnetic board. Atong tanawin kung makasakto ba mo. Usa lang. Oh, pili mo diri. Pili mo. Tapos ako checkan kung makasakto mo. Okay, gumamela, check. Sunflower, check. Rose, check. Wait lang ha. Sunflower, mana lang. Sama lang sunflower. 15 ka po, flowers na dyan. Ay, na. Rose color is wrong. Wag di mo na mga pagsuwat. Wrong mo ng spelling. Wrong. Tara, tanawang spelling sa kasapagita. Water lily, check. Water lily, check. Pwede mo mag-answer ba? Lilac, check. Sampagita, check. Check na gid ka. Daisy, check. Silver, wrong. Color. Color, silver, color. Ang X kay color, then ang check kay flower. Flower ato gipagita, flower. Flower. Daffodil, check. Ivory, wrong. Bougainvillea, check. Bougainvillea. Coral, wrong. Wait lang nga. Okay, orchid, check. Tanawa na ito kung pilagin yung score. Magenta, wrong. Dahlia.
Morning, class. Alright, so today we're going to have a memorization. Since you only pila mo? 2, 4, 6, 7 because grade 6 is having their baccalaureate mass. So what we're going to do is you're going to memorize up until asa to? You can try it on. So start TC and then followed by Ella.
It's a well-fitting dress. Little Judy needs a new dress. Her mother takes her to a shopping mall. How about this pink one? It's beautiful. You can try it on.
Very good. Next, Ella.
It's a well-fitting dress. Little Judy needs a new dress. Her mother takes her to a shopping mall. How about this pink one? It's beautiful. You can try it on.
Very good. Next, Harvey.
It's a well-fitting dress. Little Judy needs a new dress.
Needs.
Her mother takes her to a shopping mall. How about this pink one? It's beautiful. You can try it on.
Very good. Ira.
It's a well-fitting dress. Little Judy needs a new
needs.
Little Judy needs a new dress. Her mother
Her mother
takes her to a shopping mall. How about this pink one? It's beautiful. You can try it on.
Very good. Jane.
It's a well-fitting dress.
Okay, good evening, students.
Good evening, Teacher Lucelle.
Okay, tonight you are going to pick up here different words, then identify what part of speech, then after you will make a sentence kung unsa inyong nabunutan. Nadre mga words. Dayon, mabunot mo duha ka buok. Dayon, ang inyong nabunutan, inyong i-identify unsa na siya nga part of speech. Tulura ni siya ka part of speech akong gihimo. Dayon, himuan niyo og sentence. Each one of you will pick up two. Kisay mo una. Okay, start na sa labak. Marikit. Cooking.
Verb.
Okay.
My mom cooks food. My mom is cooking food in our kitchen. Ayan. Dayon, draw. Verb. Alea likes to draw anything.
Okay. Be good. Next. Jude.
Teacher. Noun. My teacher is the best.
Okay, next.
Bright. Bright.
Okay, bright.
The sun is the bright.
The sun is
Is bright.
the sun shines so bright. Okay, sit down. Chloe.
Sing. Alea sing gracefully.
Next.
Crocodile. The crocodile is eating.
Saan na siya? Mga part of speech.
Noun.
Okay.
Fashionable. Adjective.
Okay.
She is fashionable. Wash. Verb. She is wash.
So she is wash.
She
Okay, wash.
wash. Verb. I wash the dishes.